Siguro yun nga, sinabi namin na enjoyin muna namin to kung ano yung meron kami ngayon. And we'll focus on our priorities first. And we'll just take it from there, whatever.
So hindi kayo nagka-in-love or nagkagagagaban na
Yun naman, wala. Wala
Pero
pa.
posible.
Parang kapatid ko po kasi ito eh.
Oo.
Halos sabay kasi kami lumipat eh.
And lumipat sabay yung playtime.
School, yeah, sabay kami. We entered the same year in the UAAP, which is 2011.
Yeah,
2011.
2011. Tapos?
Then,
We
before we
always
would
see each other
meet
naman
in
sa
school,
campus, yeah.
then we would sometimes practice some legal before then. And then, yeah, and then I heard of her already. Siya nga yung magaling lumipat. So, naging best friends kami. And my mom was also from UST. And then, my mom would tell na lumipat, kinuha niyo si lagi sa Ateneo, ganyan. So, sabi ko, sino ba yun? So, yeah, eventually we grew up to be very, very close friends. Yun siguro yung
Sobra.
hindi nakikita ng tao na pwede na makikita nila dito sa Philippines, di ba? Yung closeness ng relationship, yung friendship namin dalawa. Never may problems, kami lang ginagawa. Of course, good times and hindi lang problema palagi. Hindi naman ako ng problema.
Pero, pag kailangan mo talaga ng someone na, hindi lang talaga sa pag-problems. Kunwari, during the games, lagi siyang magte-text yan si Beaver and mag-good luck. Medyo sabi niya na kaya, sobrang tahimik ko. Tapos siya, medyo, hindi naman maingay, makulit, ganyan. Sobrang,
Mas sutil.
ayun.
Mas sutil.
So, ayun. So, siguro it balances out. So, merong
Opposites attract, gano'n.